Arthur Schopenhauer argued that existence without pain is meaningless. Thus, to uncover the meaning behind the natural order, our crew ventured into the depths of the bleakest, most depressing environment capable of supporting natural life. A city in Eastern Europe. We came here in search of one of the few species capable of thriving here. One whose unique combination of numerosity relative to its cosmic insignificance rivals even that of the human race. The omnipresence of the pigeon is an integral part of the current urban zeitgeist. So much so that we have not questioned it until our arrival. Yet, as we kept searching among the wild panel blocks, not a single pigeon was spotted. The sight that greeted us was without a doubt utterly dead. But why? Behavioral biologists might argue that it is December and the pigeons are hiding from the cold. But such answer does not satisfy me. I believe something critical in the psyche of a pigeon is ready to be uncovered here. Indeed, after some time, our crew captured glimpses of a pair of pigeons, as if purposefully evading our sight. From their high place of symbolic dominance, the two pigeons measured us up at a distance, at which point I had to ask the question, were they hiding from me or were they mocking me? We spotted one of the pair attempting to impress the other with a dead twig from a nearby tree, a crude commentary on the cold, uncaring, materialistic mating rituals going on senselessly inside the panel blocks surrounding them. Upon which came the realization that there is a third answer to my earlier question. Imitation. But why? Is there such a thing as insanity among pigeons? Perhaps, abandoned and overlooked, they adapted to survive in the deadlands we created by observing patterns of the only other species living around in significant numbers. Us. Dependent on man's creations for shelter and sustenance, the pigeons have been affected by a species-wide gestalt case of delusional disorder. After over a century, modern urbanization has left pigeons in the misguided belief that by nesting in the houses built by us, visiting the same shrines to consumerism as us, they can become us. Once we realized this, our crew suddenly started capturing footage of more pigeons. It dawned on us that the pigeons weren't hiding from us. It was simply a mistake to look for them in treetops and parks. They are now found on concrete and tarmac, peering with their empty eyes inside human dwellings and observing their role models, ready to blindly imitate their behavior, blissfully unaware of the fact that every action they see, we make in attempts to escape the abyssal prison that is our mortal existence. Local human communities have taken subconscious note that the pigeons, once ubiquitous to their cities, have withdrawn to lead secluded, solitary lives, not dissimilar to their own. Denied the one animal distraction from existentialist introspection, local humans have taken to creating artificial animals. There is a lesson to take from that, but that lesson is for another time.